Hi guys, I want to show you how to make a very simple flyer with using Photoshop. So I'm presented here with an A4 size canvas. So guys, this is my first video. I hope you'll understand me, language, and how I work around. My background is not good. I'm just trying to set up something. So guys, let's jump into it. So go to File. First, let's go to Shapes, to Tools, and then pick the Eclipse tool, and then just drag and drop there. Okay. And then Control T for free transform, just to resize a little bit, like that, guys, and then move it there. So once the Eclipse layer is active, Control J to make a copy, and then at the copy, Control T for free transform, and then hold Shift and Alt if you want to make an even resizing, like this, guys, and then you pull it just there, and then I'll make it like that. Perfect. So change the color just to know to tell the changes we have made. Perfect. Control T and then resize. This time around I will not press Shift and Alt because I want it that way. So guys, I want a picture on this shape. So what I'll do, once the Eclipse copy is active, so what I'll go to File, Place Embedded, and then I'll choose my image, Sushi tool, and then I'll come. Perfect, that's the image I wanted. So click OK, and then at the image, click Create Clipping Mask, like that. So guys, clipping mask, generally what they do, like Eclipse, the image is only visible at the area of the Eclipse tool, that is the shape itself. So you put it there. Perfect. And then Control T just to make some few adjustments, like that. I think, guys, that is pretty good. Yes, like this, like that. Okay. So guys, our flyer is coming up. So I want a logo here. So what I will do, I'll go to Place, I'll go to pick my logo there. It's okay, and then I'll just drag and drop there, and then resize a little bit. It's okay there. And then guys, I also need another image here, so I'll create an empty layer, and then I go to Clipping tool, and then I'll just drag and drop like that. I could use the pen tool to create these shapes, but because we already have pre-made shapes like rectangles, circles, and so guys, to save time, I will use those ones for now. So resize, and then just pull it there, then Control T, free transform, and then Shift Alt to make an even resizing, and then just Control T this time around, no Shift and whatever, and Alt, sorry guys, and then like that. That's okay. So make a copy of the Eclipse tool, Control J, you remember, then Control T to resize, Shift Alt to make an even transformation, and then click OK. So just change the color to tell the difference, the size, difference in size of the copied layer and the original layer. So I want an image here. You remember how we did for the first one? We just activate the copied layer, and then we go to File, and then we go to Place. So guys, and then now we go to, I'll choose sushi versus sashimi. Of course, we go with sashimi. Many people like sushi, I don't know. So just choose that, and then perfect. This is the image I wanted. So click OK. Remember, at the image, right click, create clipping mask. Boom, we have it. And then Control T to resize, and then just like that. So, and then I want the sushi part to be taking a lot of the other part of the shape. And then guys, now our flyer is coming up very well. So what I'll do, I want to add some text here, but before then our style here looks so boring, so I want to add some more stuff. So go to the background layer, and then shapes, choose the rectangle tool, and then just drag and then drop it there. Okay, fine. So guys, I want to add some waves on top of the rectangle. So what I do, activate the rectangular shape, and then go to filter, go to distort, and then wave. So now rasterize, and then now this is our preview. So I think it's pretty okay, but we can adjust the wavelength just a little bit like that, and then the amplitude, I think it's okay. So click OK, and then boom, you are presented with that. So Control T, free transform to size like that. Okay, that is okay. Click OK there, and then Control T again, just to make some little bit of adjustments, like that. That is good. So now guys, let's just, because it is popping out so much, let's just reduce the opacity to somewhere like 51 is okay, and then the fill, make it like 76. That's okay. So guys, now to bring that impression that yeah, this is actually something for delivery, we are advertising that we are doing delivery for sushi. So if you want to order, call this number, and then boom, you have sushi at your place. So what I do, I just add some guys here, like a bicycle here. So place, and then where is my delivery guy? He's right here. So boom, there you go. And then now I just drag it there like that. So sorry guys, now that we have him there, so let me just come on top, then add an empty layer, text, and then let's say sushi delivery, and then so pull it here, I like it to be there. And then now guys, Control A to select the image, and then just adjust the font size, sushi delivery. I think that's okay. So now guys, what I want to do here, let me put it there. So I want to add a shape here, just to tell people that we have them, tell people that we care about them. So add each text, we care about you. It's okay. And then Control T, and then now pull it like that up to there. Okay, and then the rectangular should double click to change the color, sample out a color, enter. And then guys, so far so good. So now let's just tell them we offer pickup and home delivery. It's okay. Home delivery, click save, then just drag it there. Control to highlight all the shape, all the text, and then just put it there. I think that's perfect guys. For now it's not perfect, but it's better, it's somehow good. Okay, so guys, let's tell them to call us. So call now, let's just put it there, call now, and then put your number there. I'll put mine there. So boom, have it there. And then now guys, maybe you just started your restaurant, and then you have a website. So you want people, once they see this flyer, they know where to order. If not calling you to place their orders, they can also go online on your website and place orders by themselves. So what I'll do, I'll help you for that, not really you, but whoever will be using this flyer. So I'll put that shape there, and then okay, so I'll change the shape, the color of the shape. I will sample out this salmon. I think this salmon sushi, this salmon sashimi, some rolls. I like that. So guys, I will add text here, and then tell them that order online, and then put there the link, soriana.co.ke. okay, we have that. So guys, let's just Control A to reduce the font size. Control T to make some more adjustments on this. Sorry. I think it's okay. Then let's just put it somewhere there. Guys, I think that's all for today. Next time, I'll work on perfection.